off. Damn, I just took 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 off.
What's up? Poppa up in the house. Yeah, man. Go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can keep on getting these updates on this Altima. Yeah, man. Just check out this beautiful setup. Woo. Man, check out the May pillars. Look at them. Look at them over there. In the right. Yeah, man. So let's take a look at this baby. Little small footprint. These little buttons right here for the crossover. When you press them, they give you the extra frequency to, you know, tune these to a higher kilohertz. So that's the reason why I wanted my tweeters on this amp. So I should be able to go to that mark. But I look at where the crossover set for the for the passive, and then probably put it a little bit past that, because I want to make sure I do not bust these tweeters. Just want a little sound coming out of it. So let me go ahead and get everything hooked up, and I'll be right back with you. So we got power to the amplifier. Now let's go up to the vehicle and see if it'll, I don't know, light up or something. Let's see. Ah, shit. Whoa, yeah, look at that light. Look at that light. So we got power on this baby. Yeah, man. So now we get to the fun part, and that's tuning this amplifier. So what I'm gonna do is take these prongs and stick them in one side, tune it, stick them in the other side and tune it with the DD1. Old school DD1, yeah, man. Check this out. Yeah, man. 2013, baby. Had this sucker going for a long time. But anyways, go ahead and tune this thing up and see how she sound. So there's enough videos on this damn thing tuning to where I don't have to go through it. So now, since we're done doing the tuning with the DD1, we're gonna go over to the CC1 and tune up the tweeters, which I'm gonna do those at 4,000 kilohertz. So it's actually like 3,800 kilohertz on those tweeters, but yeah, I'll put them at 4,000, which it ain't gonna hurt it much. So we'll go to track 20 on B. So go around here, track 20. CDB, track 20. And we'll turn on the calibrator. Signal's too strong. Now we'll go to read, and then we'll pop this over to high pass, and then we'll turn on the duplicator and see if we can get this adjusted correctly. This actual amp will never be right dead on the money because it has clicks. Oh, there it is right there. Boom. So we calibrated right at 4 kilohertz. Nice. And I was just gonna say this amp has little clicks in it, so it doesn't have a smooth turn. It's got clicks in the knobs, so I thought it wasn't gonna adjust right, but it did. So now we got the other side all calibrated, so now we gotta do is plug the speakers up. So let's give them a plug up and then see how this bad boy sound.
X marks the spot, but your ex not in here. My mama ain't for the drama. I'm from the South, no beef. We just get the game.
Humming.